some fat. Mix it neat and let rest or rise. Form that bread. Let's do some bread recipes. Bread recipe project.
Let's mash some bananas, mashing some bananas to make a bread. So in your mixing bowl, we got a 1/2 cup of brown sugar and a 1/4 cup of butter. We need to cream it together. So while our brown sugar is creaming together, we got 2 cups of flour. We're going to add some baking soda, some baking powder, cinnamon, and salt to this. And we're going to sift it together. If you don't have a sifter, you could grab a wire whisk or a fork. So to our creamed brown sugar and butter, we're going to add 2 eggs. And we are going to add a cup of mashed bananas. Okay, more like 2 cups of mashed bananas because those bananas need to be used. So we need to add our flour mixture to this. I'm going to slowly add it. Hold on. Let me get organized. You think this bread was done with just bananas? No, we're going to add a cup of shredded carrots to this as well. And if you want nuts to this, feel free to add about a 1/2 cup of chopped nuts to this. Yep, that's right. We're making a carrot banana bread. And of course, we got the oven preheating at 350 degrees, and we're going to bake this for 1 hour.